Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am about to share one of the most powerful natural remedies for hair growth, and it is also a natural hair darkening, and you need only one ingredient to start seeing results. So let's dive right in. So anytime you come across this particular leaves that I'm holding in my hands, you do not have to overlook it as one regular leaf, because this leaf is very powerful. And the leaf I'm talking about is papaya leaves. Papaya leaves is so powerful and very rich in antioxidant, and it's packed with lots of vitamins which help in nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. It boosts blood circulation to encourage fast hair growth. Papaya leaf also contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which help in clearing scalp buildup and also reducing dandruff. Now, what makes papaya leaf extremely special is its ability to darken your hair naturally over time. Thanks to papaya leaf high chlorophyll content and other essential plant compounds, it helps to preserve your natural hair color and delay premature graying. So this is how to prepare your papaya leaves. You know that this leaf is always outside, so you have to wash it thoroughly before you proceed to using it. So over here, I'm done washing it. I'm just adding it to my blender, and I'm going to be roughly blending it. If I don't have a blender, sometimes I just squeeze it with my hands to extract the juice, to make sure that the juice is already coming out so I can get all the nutrients. And you could also do it the manual way by pounding it and get your juice and just proceed to using it. So after blending, most people prefer to go ahead and use their papaya leaf juice fresh, but if you have a sensitive scalp, this method is not advisable for you, except you are going to be rinsing it off immediately. But if you want to leave this on your hair without rinsing it off, it's very important that you go ahead and boil your papaya leaves. You cannot use your fresh papaya juice on your scalp for a sensitive scalp person, because papaya leaf contains high level of papain and alkaloid, which irritates the scalp and just strip your hair of its natural oils. So to be on the safe side, if your scalp is very sensitive, please do this method of boiling. Boiling it saves you a lot of stress, because if you have sensitive scalp, you're going to have to battle with itchy scalp after application. So it is better to just save yourself the stress and go ahead and boil this and use it if your scalp is sensitive. I have used the fresh juice method, and it really irritated my scalp because my scalp is very sensitive. But then my sister used the fresh juice and she had no irritation or whatsoever. That's because she has a normal scalp. So if your scalp is not sensitive, then just go ahead and use the fresh juice method or whatever method you like, but make sure you're not going to use the method that you rinse it off immediately, because if you have a sensitive scalp and you decide to use the fresh one, which you're going to be rinsing off immediately, that will not give you the benefits. You're not going to get the results you ought to get from using these papaya leaves. If you want to get the benefits and you have sensitive scalp, please ensure to boil your papaya juice and use it as your leave-in spray anytime you want to use it, and you don't have to rinse it out. By so doing, you're going to see the result. So you let it boil for 10 minutes on a low heat, and after that you set it aside to cool down, and you go ahead and strain it. Ensure to strain out your juice so you don't get the particles on your hair strands when applying your spray. And then I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into my applicator bottle for easy application. You can see how greenish this is looking already. This is so potent, and your hair is going to love this. Like, this is going to reduce your dandruff, clean your scalp buildup, and promote fast hair growth. Before we dive into the application method, have you clicked on your subscribe button? If you're not subscribed to this channel, please, if you forgot to do it from the beginning of the video, kindly do it now. Subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips, natural hair growth remedies, hair tutorials, hairstyles, and wig making, because we offer all that on this channel. And don't forget to leave your comments. Have you tried papaya leaves for your hair? What was your result? Are you going to be trying this out? If you're just seeing this for the first time, let me know your opinion in the comment section, and I'm definitely going to reply back to your comments.
pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We
My
didn't.
hair has been previously washed. As you can see from this video, my scalp is super clean because healthy hair growth happen when your scalp is clean. Your healthy scalp is the right environment for healthy hair growth. So I am just going in with the spray all over my scalp, focusing on the scalp as usual because that is where the growth happens. I'm going to make sure I massage everything after each application to make sure that I promote blood circulation, which in turn encourages hair growth. I do this till I'm done with all my hair and I just give it a good massage. Don't forget your ends and your hairline. Make sure the application gets to every part of your hair and then you give it a good massage. Don't be in a rush when you're using your hair products. I am going to be using this papaya leaves juice on my hair once in a week because I currently have other hair remedies that I am using. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know that every time I use a homemade spray, I would always use a sealant. It could be hair growth oil, it could be hair butter. So in today's video, after my application, I went ahead to seal in moisture using my hair butter. You could use your hair butter, you could use your hair oil, you could use your leave-in conditioner, whichever works best for you. Always ensure to seal in moisture after each application so it doesn't leave your hair feeling dry after a few hours. So that is just all for this application method, guys. Do well to try this and let me know what your experience is in the comment section, and don't forget to always protect your hair. Do not leave your hair out without putting it in a protective style. It is called a protective style for a reason. Use your natural hair growth remedies with a protective style and you're going to see great results. Bye guys.
If it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. There'll be my trail.